Hi everyone, my name is Diana and I want to invite you to a beautiful workshop that I'm going to be sharing online live on Zoom on May 26th. It's called Dance Alchemy, Whirling and Meditation. As the name says it, we're going to be practicing a beautiful conscious dance approach called Dance Alchemy, where we're going to be using dance as a way to come into the body and to look and give space to whatever is bubbling up to the surface and allow it to be in the heart space with acceptance and compassion. And then from there we're gonna move into Sufi techniques, Sufi meditations, Sufi breathing, zikhr, and then when the soil is prepared, the ground is ready, we're gonna move into some Sufi whirling. If you have never done Sufi whirling, don't worry, it's for everyone. No experience in meditation, dance, or Sufi whirling is needed. Everyone is welcome to join. So, May 26th, come and join us. Happy to see you. Bye.